Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin. Which is the better meme coin? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a comparison of Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin. What's the superior meme coin? Before we even start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below. But also, let me know in the comment section below, what is your pick? Do you think Shiba Inu is going to prevail, or do you think it's going to be Dogecoin, Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency? That statement alone, Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, is why Dogecoin will always have a slight advantage. The more Elon talks about it, pumps it, and even does anything related to Dogecoin, it causes that token to pump. However, Shiba Inu, on the other hand, completely community driven. It started off as a very small project and now dominating the overall crypto world. Let's jump into this comparison. Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin. Overall crypto market is starting to recover. We are down 2% on the day. However, we are slowly re-entering greed. Bitcoin currently sitting at $62,000, Ethereum above 3,000, which is all good. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at what the heck is going on with meme coins. In terms of meme coins, Dogecoin is number 1 and number 8 on CoinMarketCap, and Shiba Inu is number 2 and number 11 on CoinMarketCap. In terms of market caps, we have $13 billion for Shiba Inu versus $21 billion for Dogecoin. That is a massive discrepancy. Now, 13 versus 21 doesn't sound like a lot, but when you add the extra zeros, the 13 billion versus 21 billion, obviously is a massive gap, right? You're just looking at the gap over here between Pepe and Shiba Inu. That's roughly $10 billion difference. Now, there isn't a $10 billion difference for Shiba Inu and Doge, but it's still relatively close. We're looking at what, like $8 billion difference, which is absolutely massive. However, I think Shiba Inu could prevail. Personally, if you ask me, Umar, what are you more bullish on, Shiba Inu or Dogecoin? I say Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu could be what Dogecoin was in its very early stages. Remember, once upon a time, Dogecoin was trading in the pennies, or not even the pennies, lower than pennies, with the 4 decimals, right? And Shiba Inu currently trading around 4 decimals as well. Meaning, if Shiba Inu one day hits the price or the market cap of Dogecoin, or even if Shiba Inu 1 cent could get to 1 cent, this could be absolutely insane for anyone holding any Shiba Inu, right? Which would be absolutely insane. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna happen this bull run, but it could potentially happen. Now, Dogecoin, on the other hand, they don't have a fixed supply. They have an unlimited supply, meaning they're going to have more and more Dogecoin over time, and the supply is just going to continue to grow, which is going to obviously reduce the price of Dogecoin, right? That being said, it's hard to compare because these two coins are not necessarily apples to apples, right? When looking at Dogecoin is simply just a meme coin, the people's cryptocurrency, right? Open source, peer-to-peer digital currency, favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. Now, this token was created to kind of mock Bitcoin. On the other hand, Shiba Inu was a meme coin also created for the sake of meme coins during the meme coin rush in 2020. But now it's far more than just a meme coin with utility, with a SHIB token, bone token, leash token, the Shibarium, the Shiba swap, the Satoshis. They're far gone just a meme coin. As you can see, they have so much utility, so much different things you could do with this token. It's not just a simple token anymore, right? Versus Dogecoin, still basically just in meme mania. Now, there's nothing wrong with being just a dedicated meme coin by any means necessary. That's a very popular thing that's been going on over the past couple of years. And again, I'm so bullish for both projects, but when we're comparing apples to apples, long term, I feel like just based off the utility, the price, and the circulation, and the fact that this is fixed versus an unlimited supply, I think Shiba Inu long term, again, even if it hit 1 cent, could be absolutely massive. Dogecoin, on the other hand, it's like, where are we going to peak Dogecoin at? $1, maybe $5 in the long far future, right? And what real gains are you going to get if Dogecoin goes to $5 versus Shiba Inu? If it goes to 1 cent, the gains are going to be absolutely insane. Now, let's go ahead and look at Google Trends. The blue is for Shiba Inu and the red is for Dogecoin. And this is roughly a trend around worldwide for just yesterday, right? And if we go and let's just go the past 30 days, we could see that Shiba Inu has just been more popular in terms of search term than Dogecoin. Meaning, Shiba Inu would technically, just based off this trends, show that Shiba Inu is a bit more popular than Dogecoin, right? Is Dogecoin kind of fading out? Quite possibly, right? Dogecoin's biggest mascot, Elon Musk, who hasn't really shielded that much, and maybe he'll never shield it again. We never know, right? In terms of Shiba Inu on Twitter, they got 3.8 million followers versus Dogecoin has 3.9 million followers. So Dogecoin is ahead, roughly 100,000 followers. In terms of activity, we can see last time Dogecoin posted was what, January? They reposted something in March, but they haven't actually made a dedicated post since February 9th. On the other hand, Shiba Inu, a bit more active, right? They reposted something on just yesterday, and they actually made a post on May 6th. Now, this is obviously not fair because Shiba Inu is constantly having updates and it's really community centric, meaning they all have reasons to make updates and post. Whereas Dogecoin, what are they really going to post, right? Yeah, they could post a meme here and there, but that's roughly about it, right? They can't really engage with the community, as it's not that type of meme coin. It's more of the old gen meme coin. Again, overall, both coins are, remember, meme coins. So obviously invest carefully, do your own research and due diligence. So both meme coins have their position and have their pros and cons, right? Long-term bullishness, I'm a bit more bullish on Shiba Inu, and nothing wrong with Dogecoin. I just think Shiba Inu has more to offer. But again, that's my opinion, just to do it on the internet. I want to know your opinion in the comment section below. What are you more bullish for, Shiba Inu or Dogecoin? Let's hear it. Let's continue the conversation in the comment section below. Guys, if you want to get the latest and greatest crypto news, make sure you smash the subscribe button, as we cover cryptos daily on this channel with 3 different creators, and gem after gem, we're trying to put out the best content for you to learn the most about cryptocurrencies, meme coins, altcoins. We cover it all here. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.